My husband has a work event that I am invited to tomorrow evening at Gillette Stadium. And so I'm going to use my weekender bag for its intended purpose. We decided to make this an overnight date night. Let's not complicate things, okay? We're gonna do this as efficiently as possible. It's just one night. Chelsea, it's just one night. Pajamas, and you can't smell them, but they smell like creme couture because of the laundry detergent. I love that. For Saturday morning, I have a blue and white striped sweater that I got off of Poshmark, new with tags, my J. Crew white tee, and these are my Madewell. Yes, my Madewell white jeans. Yes, I'm wearing white in the winter. I don't stop wearing white. I still haven't found the perfect cream pants for winter, so we're rocking with the white and winterizing it. Did not finish showing you what I packed because I simply put my pajamas on and then I went to bed. So now I'm in the hotel for the evening. I have about an hour before we need to go anywhere. So my hope is to honestly take a nap and then put myself back together. I did bring a change of pants. So phone charger. I put in here, I feel like I say this in every winter video, the beloved faux leather pants. These are fleece lined. They're so warm. I think they'd look, oh my goodness, it feels like air conditioning just came on. These would look really cute with this sweater and my blazer. I'll show you the final look at the end. I thought maybe if I woke up before Mark did, that one, I could finish editing my YouTube video for Monday, but two, that I could do some extra special journal prompts, my blank pages. So obviously the journal came from my last flight. There's a special bag in here. Watch charger. People who said this bag was heavy, they weren't wrong, but I wonder, is this bag heavy because I pack it heavy? You tell me. You tell me. Makeup and skincare, makeup brushes, eyeglasses. I just literally went into the Ulta that's here at Patriot Place before coming to the hotel to get the big one. Did you know you can get the big one, the $20 3-ounce one at Ulta? You can, and I am on probably my last day of this tomorrow. Powder mist, hairspray, claw clip, disinfecting wipes, flat iron. Personally, I do not feel like that's overpacking. I did a good job getting all my skincare and makeup into one bag. I'm gonna take a little nap. I'll see you when I'm ready. Here is the full outfit. Same exact sweater and blazer. I added my favorite faux leather pantaloons and my boots. Will be warm.